Hi my sisters, hi my loves. Today I'm going to show you how you can style your short hair as I styled mine without any effort. It's effortless guys, and you're gonna have an amazing result. You're going to love your hair, you're going to enjoy your short hair. So let us get started. The first thing, I'm going to spray my hair with water. I have already washed my hair and I already applied leave-in conditioner. It's just that I stayed for some time and then it got a little bit dry, so I need some moisture. Your hair needs some moisture in order to be juicy, to be amazing. So I sprayed some water and then we're going to seal that moisture with some oil after I have just combed my hair. So I'm gonna comb to detangle my hair to make sure it's nice and soft and detangled. So and then I'm gonna just seal my moisture with some oil. If you haven't seen how I colored my hair, how I achieved this ginger kind of copper color without using any bleach, I'll put a link of the video. So I'm using avocado oil to seal my moisture. So I'm just gonna use, I love this oil because it's not sticky guys. It's so, I hate when the oil you use on your hair it's sticky. I feel like, oh my god, it feels yucky. But this oil is so nice and it smells so good. It's not strong, it doesn't have a strong scent, and it's not sticky. So I'm just using it to seal my moisture in my hair and to give my hair some shine before I go ahead and style my hair. So after that we are going to use mousse. We're gonna use mousse guys. You can use olive oil or any kind of mousse that you can get. So I'm using this from ORS. I'm gonna just pump it like that and then I'm going to apply. Unfortunately, when I was applying I kind of applied on one space of my hair, so but it's no problem. I am just going to I'm going to do it more because I'm going to be applying as I style. I'm going to apply more mousse and then I'm using this comb, but not that thing. And that thing under, it's just like a thing you can put a product and pump it when you're styling your hair or comb your hair, but I'm not going to use that. So I'm just going to use the comb itself. And then I'm going to use curling cream from African Pride. This is shea butter and flaxseed oil. It's a moisture miracle. So I use that amount that amount of mousse and I'm applying to my hair. And then I just go on and do like small finger coils. But before that, you can just apply on the shorter hair and then you do like you're doing the rough thread. You just rub on the hair and it will create those small coils or small curls as you saw, and then like that, and then you go ahead later with a few fingers. So I did that first, especially on the short hair, not on the long hair. I did that on the short hair first and then it created those small coils or curls. They're so cute. And then I'm using my fingers to just like coil them on my fingers to define the curls more. So yeah, and this takes so less time because the hair is short, so you don't have to go ahead and coil and coil and coil. But you can also do this on long hair. And remember guys, my hair is 4C type. It's that kinky hair, but we still get these coils, these curls. It's because you use the right product. When you use the right product and your hair has moisture, your hair is detangled, your hair has leave-in conditioner, guys, trust me, you're going to get the results that you want. I am so excited to start this journey with styling short hair, curling the 4C hair, and do all kinds of things, experimenting with colors and everything. I am so excited and I'm so ready to do this journey with you, my loves. I love you so much for you guys who keeps watching my videos, trusting in me, and just staying here with me, watching my videos, commenting, liking my videos. Thank you so much. You guys are so amazing. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And if you don't know me, I am Viviana. I do all things beauty in this channel, and I have a Swahili version video also. If you were watching na huelewi Kiswahili, nina channel ya Kiswahili inaitwa Viviana TZ, so msikose kuangalia wapenzi wangu. So yeah, so we continue. I was just talking to my Swahili sisters to just let them know that I have Swahili version channel. They can watch there if they don't understand the English version, so we reach everybody and everybody has fun with this. Yeah, so it's all about DIY. You do all these styles, you color your own hair at home. I know some of us lives in countries whereby it's very expensive to go to hair salons to do your hair, so I make it easy here with more accessible and affordable products so that you can do it at home. Oh, I love the small coils, they're so cute. So I'm continuing with the same process, but when I reach where my hair is a little bit longer, because I cut my hair in a kind of tapered cut kind of style, so some of my hair in the, especially in the middle, is very, it's longer. So where it is longer, I just apply the product, and then after applying the two products, I mean the mousse and the curling cream, what I do, I use that comb, I comb the hair. So the comb makes the hair have like elastic texture, and then it forms some curls, and then I go ahead with my fingers just to redefine the curls to make them more defined, more visible, more rich. So that's what I'm doing. So I will continue with the same process, my loves, until we get to the end, and then you will see the next step, my love. So let's keep watching. If you haven't subscribed again, please subscribe. Okay, my loves, I'm gonna do so much more with this hair. The hair is short, you might feel like, oh, what are you gonna do with short hair? The aim is to, I kind of want to empower women with short hair, that they can look amazing and classy with their short hair, and they can do so much with short hair. So we've just started this journey, and we will do so much more, so much more. So let's just trust the process and let's keep going. Let's keep the videos coming, and let's keep the views coming. Share with your friends and family, show them this channel. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I go by the name VivianaTZ.official. Please follow me there. I have many inspirational posts concerning beauty, hair, makeup, and everything. Let's connect, let's be friends there. Yeah, so I did almost all of my head, and I'm finishing that part. You can see the curls are already formed even before I do with the finger. So these two products, the mousse, ORS mousse, the olive oil one, and the curling cream from African Pride, the Moisture Miracle. And why I love this curling cream, guys, it makes your hair very soft. Even when it has dried, your hair becomes soft. The curls are soft, they're not cracky, they're not crunchy, you know. Then I shake my head just to redefine the curls, and then it makes the curls pop more, it makes the curls to be more defined. You can see that. You can't imagine this is 4C hair, guys. I used to think that people with 4C hair cannot curl their hair, they cannot put curls on their hair. I was like, but then I used to see people with 4C hair doing videos with doing these curls, coils, and I was like, maybe they're lying. Maybe their hair has like a different kind of texture. Maybe they're mixed, or maybe they do this. But then it's possible, my loves. It's possible. We can do this, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna rock the short hair. We're gonna rock our 4C hair. We're gonna rock the kinky hair type, my loves. Let's do this. I am so excited to do this with you guys. So after this, you can leave your hair to air dry, or you can use a dryer, a hand dryer, or that has a diffuser like mine. Yeah, but this is better. Don't use a hand dryer that just blowing your hair and it comes so much air, it's gonna ruin your curls or your curl patterns. Use a dryer that has that thing, I don't know, it's called a diffuser or something like that, because the air that comes from that tool, it's not as much as it doesn't blow to destroy your curls, but it just gives you enough heat, enough air to just dry your hair, and your curls will still be in place. So that's why I use this. Otherwise, if I didn't have this, I would just let my hair to air dry. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching. So this one, I'm going to just apply some oil to give my hair some shine. The curls came out so amazing. The coils, oh, I love them. I love them. I love them. And the oil also makes it softer, makes it shinier. It makes the hair look rich and beautiful. So to refresh your hair, you keep applying the oil in the morning, and make sure when you go to bed you wear a satin bonnet just to protect your hair, to not ruin your curls, so, and also to make your hair sit nicely. So after that, I will just take a comb, a wide tooth comb, and just lift my roots just to make the hair more amazing, because you don't want your hair to be so flat. So I'm just fixing and fixing. I had like a side part. You can put the side part if you want, or you can just wear your hair without the side part. So I think this turned out to be amazing. Please comment down below if you like this video, if you like anything from me. I love you so much. Comment down below where are you watching from. I would love to get to know you, my sweethearts. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, and bye for now.